Okay, today we're doing a tool review on a 6-in-1 stubby screwdriver. This is an ideal 30-945 stubby screwdriver. It's a 6-in-1. It includes a 3/16 and a 1/4 inch slotted or flathead bits, number 1 and number 2 Phillips, a 1/4 inch and a 5/16 inch nut driver.
Woo!
Total assembled length is 3 1/4 inches long, and you can buy these at Lowe's for $11. You can buy them other places as well. So a stubby screwdriver is great for fitting into confined or tight spaces. Here you see the nut driver. And the smaller flathead and Phillips on the other side with the smaller nut driver right there. This is not a paid promotion for Lowe's or Ideal, but if you're looking for a stubby screwdriver to work in tight spaces, this one works really well. I hope this information helps. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment for future video topics you would like me to cover. Thanks for watching.